Hello Libra, welcome to my channel. This is your reading for the month of June, you versus them. We will see your energy towards your person and your person's energy towards you. So let's begin your reading. This is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. If you feel that you are on the other side, then feel free to swap the roles Libra, as this is a general read, so energies can be switched. Okay, Spirit, for the people who are going to hear this message for Libra, Spirit, your person's energy towards you, please. Their person's energy towards Libra, please. This person, maybe something has ended between you guys, but this person feels that unfinished business with you, Libra. This person wants to make out with you. I have a makeup sex card here with the unfinished business. So this person's energy towards you, if you guys are in separation, this person still feels that unfinished business towards you, and can we start over at the bottom. So yes, this person wants to start this again, and this person wants to make out with you. For others of you, I'm getting, if you are not in separation with your person, then this person feels that unfinished business, like they feel the lack in passion, like it could be anything, like you are not ready for it yet, or you guys cannot make out, something like that, but something related to passion here. If you guys are together, if you guys are in separation, this person feels that unfinished business and wants to fuck you, but this person wants to start this again, Libra. So just apply to a situation. Let's see how do they view you. You are a home to this person, Libra. This is beautiful. This person feels that you are walking away, but sweet home. So you could be married to this person, but even if you are not married to this person, you are a home to this person. Like they feel like home, like they feel that you are like their home, something like that. And let go, they feel that you are letting go of them, and that is it, like you are walking away. Just one card, Spirit, what do you think about Libra? Okay, they are overthinking about you, Libra. This person is overthinking about you, and masturbation. So yeah, this person is thinking about you, fantasizing about you, you are on their mind, and this person masturbates thinking about you. Daydreaming and fantasizing in their feelings. So yes, but this could be a third party situation, Libra. If not third party situation, someone has lied, someone has cheated on this relationship. Now it could be regarding anything, money, or they couldn't give you commitment, or they were not ready for a relationship, something like that. But there were lies in this situation, and this person is fantasized about you a lot. Sexual tension. This is amazing. This person is crazy for you, for your body. I have to say that. Focus on finances and career. This person feels that this person is going through some financial issues, Libra, and they feel that it's better to focus on their career and finances. But this person has that sexual tension for you. They fantasize about you, they masturbate thinking about you, and they are overthinking about the situation and you. Fresh new beginnings in their intentions. Afraid of getting trapped. So I'm getting that this person could not give you commitment. It could be a commitment phobic person. If not, then this person could be having some issue regarding commitment, like they were not so sure about this relationship or you, and they were afraid of getting trapped. So for most of you, I'm getting this person was like not necessarily a player. Yes, for some of you it was a player who did not want to settle down but wanted you. This person still want you, still want this fresh new beginning, yet this person is afraid of getting trapped. This person doesn't trust the situation, and I feel this person doesn't trust himself that that this person can handle relationships, something like that. Just one card, Spirit. What is this thing? Energy sucking vampire. They want. I was about to say they want to suck your energy. Well, they do want that, but this person knows that this person could be very draining to you sometimes, yet this person wants this new fresh beginning with you. I'm also getting that this person is having a lot of responsibilities, this person is drained, this person needs healing, and this person wants to come back to you to feel good about their life. New love and an open relationship. This person will come back to you, Libra. You guys could be having an open relationship this month and moving in. Wow. I'm getting a live-in relationship here, and I'm also getting, if this person was not able to give you commitment, you are going to settle for an open relationship. And I feel this is more like where you guys are, like when two people want to be with each other, but you know that that's it's like, let's just be honest with each other, and it's okay if you are not ready for commitment yet. That's what I'm getting here. And new love here with an open relationship moving in, and something is going to reveal here, Libra. This person will confess something to you. It could be that this person will confess something related to their family. Yes, lust, desire, and obsession. This person is obsessed with you, and this person is going to reveal you that this, like, he or she feel the connection with you, and it's a very deep connection, it's a past life relationship. So they are going to tell you, they are going to confess their true feelings. I feel that if, even if this person was running for now and you are chasing this person, this is going to flip now. I feel the energy is going to be switched. So let's see. Let me use another deck for your energy towards your person for the month of June. Libra's energy towards the person spirit for the month of June. You feel this person, if this person is in your life, you are blocking your blessings, and you know that this person likes your attention. Maybe you want their attention too, but this person likes your attention, and you know that you could be dealing with some attention seeker and or a narcissist person, but you are blocking your blessings, and this is your energy towards your person, that this person is not good for you. You feel that your person is into someone else, and even if this person is coming back to you, this person will leave you again, that this person cannot give you that stability and focus. Yet you feel this is not done yet, Libra, and you feel that this person is obsessed with you. That's how you view them, like they are obsessed with you and they are into someone else, and this is not done yet. You think this person is entertaining others, Libra, and you also have hope that once you walked away from this person, once you are walking, like once you let yourself walk away from this whole situation and shift your energy, you will receive some big fortune. Like for some of you, I'm getting like you feel that your life will be good. For others of you, I'm getting, if you were married to this person, it's about a divorce case, and you are hoping for some money from this person. Libra, you are very focused on your finances, and yet you feel that your person is also very materialistic or very like workaholic person. I'm also getting you feel lucky to have this person. Like you know this person is not good for you, yet for some of you, I'm getting like you feel that your person cannot find someone better than you, and your person is lucky to have you in their life, like in his or her life. And I'm also getting that This person could be very control freak, and you are now trying to be in your power, Libra. Like, you have control over your emotions. Even if you feel that you are lucky to have this person in your life, like, if not literally lucky, if they have done wrong to you, you still adore your person. That's what I'm getting here. And you are not able to connect with others like you were connected to this person. And I feel this is the same about this person as well. But you don't want to take shit from anyone now. That's what I'm getting here. You want your person to be obsessed with you, Libra. For some of you, your person could be bisexual, but you do want your person to think about you, to get obsessed with you, and you still feel that this person is obsessed with you. Yes, you want to have, for some of you I'm getting, you intend to have a money from this person. If you were married to this person, maybe there were some arguments related to money, but you don't want to argue with this person, and yet you are hoping to have some big fortune from this person. You want them to look at your pictures, and you still look at their pictures, Libra. And you feel this person notices you a lot. Don't be afraid to fall in love again. Don't take shit from anyone. Okay, you want this person and they are afraid. Okay. If your person is feeling afraid that you are walking away from their life, you like that, Libra, and you want that. I'm also getting you are ready for a new love, and for some of you I'm getting you still want this person. For others of you I'm getting like you want a new love, and but you don't want to take shit from anyone now. You don't want to take shit from anyone. You are enough for yourself. You are trying to get back into your power, and you are getting back into your power. So this is nice, Libra. So let's get some cards from tarot now and wrap up this read. Okay. This person is stalking you, Libra. This person is still confused, still indecisive, still could be a third party situation. This person is hurt, and this person could be a player, very focused on their finances, but going through something major in their life right now. Like, something has happened in this person's life, and this person is in a very harsh and cold energy right now, but this person has been hurt. And I'm getting this person wants to start something again in their life. It could be with you, could be a relationship, commitment, or could be in their finances or career. This person is very focused on their finances, and this person wants to be emotionally independent from you. They are hiding something from you. Maybe they are hiding from you that they are very drained right now. They are having a lot of responsibilities, or they could be drained or missing you, or they could be having some baggage. It could be finances, it could be their family issues, or if they were already married or in a commitment with someone, it's a baggage of an old relationship, Libra. They love you. They want to have a child with you. They want to make things right with you. They see you as you are. Person feels that you are moving on in your life, Libra. You are single, you are happy. A part of them still feels that you still miss them, but they feel you are in your player like energy. Could be dealing with a Sag, but someone could be traveling here. They will start this again, Libra, because this person has been missing you. This person is very disappointed. This person was missing the old times. This person was waiting for you. this person is going to make an offer now. You will get a communication from this person. If you are pregnant or already have a child with this person, expect this person to make things right about that. So yeah, let's see your energy transformation. You could be acting very detached right now, Libra, from this person, but you don't want any games now. So you guys are mirroring each other. I'm also getting you are trying to walk away from this person, but you have not walked away from their life completely yet. For some of you, I'm getting if you are having a child, you are walking away because of your child, that you feel that your child deserves better, like your child doesn't deserve this mess, and you are thinking about it a lot. You could be dealing with a Leo or an Aquarius or Aries or Scorpio, could be any sign though, but this person is thinking about you a lot, Libra, because you are there in their energy. You are on their mind. You are very silent, Libra. You could be very intuitive. You could be tarot reader. You are not letting this person know that this person still, that you still love this person. This person could have put you in a third party situation. You were not the chosen one, I feel, but you were very hurt over the situation, and you are not letting this know to your person that you are very hurt. You are deeply hurt because of that third party situation, but you love your person. That's what I'm getting here. Love was there in the situation from your side at least, but this person still wants to grow with, yes, as I said, Queen of Cups. You love them, but for some of you, if you have a child, you have a responsibility of a child and you love your child as well, and the situation was very draining. I'm getting you feel that it's good to walk away because your child deserves better. I'm also getting, if you don't have a child, like you are hiding from your person that you still love them. For some of you, I'm getting your mother could be an issue, like your mother wants you to walk away from this person. You love this person, Libra. This is a mutual connection, and this is a soulmate connection. This is, you love this person, period. Even if you're walking away, you are still waiting for this person to reach out to you. You still have that hope that things can be fixed. You are going to end this, Libra, and you feel that you cannot manifest new things here, and there will be a chance of a change. Let me see the outcome, because I feel this person is going to come back to you. This person is going to reach out to you, and then this will be your call whether to manifest this relationship or not. But you are ending a marriage here, Libra, or you are ending a relationship here. If you were not in a relationship with this person, there could be a chance of relationship. I feel this person will offer you that relationship and you will not accept that. You will sneak away from this person's life and you will give this person breadcrumbs like this person has given you in the past. So you will walk away, Libra. You will walk away. That's what I'm getting here. You will communicate with this person, but you are going to walk away. And if this, for some of you, I'm getting, if this person has played you in the past, it's your time, baby. You are going to play this person. You are going to sneak away from their life without letting them know. And that's what I'm getting here. Even if you are going to communicate with this person, you are going to make this person feel that, like, your person will go through that same thing when you were not their priority, and this person is going to feel the same, because you are going to make them feel that you are not my priority yet. So this is what I'm getting here. Let's get love message. worthiness and sexual freedom. So, Libra, you are going to know your worth, like you already know your worth, but sometimes we ignore stuff because we love the other person. But for now, this is self-love, Libra, this is self-esteem, you deserve better, and sexual freedom here. So what I'm getting here, you will make out with this person, Libra, and then you will walk away, like you are going to make them feel used. This is not for all, this is for some of you. You guys can sex chat as well if you guys are at a distance. So that's what I'm getting here, and I cannot sugarcoat. I do see Libra doing that to their person, and I'm very happy about that. So this was your reading, Libra. I really hope it helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.